Hello and welcome to the International Institute of Minnesota. In this video, we will be reviewing the Liberian Refugee Immigration Fairness Program, also known as LRIF. We will be covering the following topics: eligibility for the LRIF program, a few LRIF announcements, some frequently asked questions about the LRIF program, and legal resources for LRIF filing. The USCIS website states the following requirements in order to be eligible for the LRIF program. You properly complete and file Form I-45 application to register permanent residence or adjust status by December 20th, 2020. You are a national of Liberia. You have been continuously physically present in the United States during the period beginning on November 20th, 2014 and ending on the date you properly file your Form I-45. You are admissible to the United States for lawful permanent residence, or you are eligible for a waiver of inadmissibility or other form of relief. And just to review a few upcoming deadlines, the deadline to apply for permanent residence under the LRIF program is December 20th, 2020. Although there were many USCIS office closures in March, there will be no extensions because of COVID-19. There are no extensions and no exceptions at this time for this program. A recent change that USCIS published is that starting October 2nd, USCIS is removing the fee waiver option for many immigration applications, including the LRIF Adjustment Green Card application. This means that anyone who would qualify based on income that is below poverty guidelines or anyone currently receiving county benefits such as food stamps, medical assistance, SSI, or any other county benefit will no longer be able to request a fee waiver. Beginning October 2nd, all LRIF applicants will be required to pay the adjusted fee of $1,130. There are no exceptions to this change at this time. And just to cover a few of the frequently asked questions about the LRIF process, please note that many answers are similar. Each LRIF case is different, and it would be good to consult with a legal representative or an attorney to determine how different things may affect your case. I did an I-130 with my U.S. citizen spouse, or my I-130 was denied. Can I apply for LRIF? This will depend. You will need to talk to a legal representative to determine your eligibility. I applied for asylum years ago, but I was denied. Can I apply for the LRIF program? It depends. You will need to talk to a legal representative to review the reason for denial and to determine eligibility. My friend is in detention, but was here on November 20th, 2014. Can they still apply for LRIF? This will depend. They will need to talk to a legal representative to determine eligibility. My family member is not here in the United States but wants to apply for LRIF. Can they apply? No, they would not be eligible for this program. An applicant must be physically and continuously present from November 20th, 2014 until they file their I-45 application. I have been arrested or have a record. Can I apply for LRIF, or will this impact my case? It depends. You will need to talk to a legal representative to determine how this may impact eligibility and your process. Do I need to get or renew my Liberian passport for the LRIF process? If you are able, it is recommended that you contact the Liberian consulate in Brooklyn Park to discuss this further. From previous applications, USCIS has requested a valid Liberian passport. If you are unable to contact the consulate in Minnesota, you can also contact the Liberian Embassy in New York or Washington, D.C. Can I get a work permit through the LRIF program? Yes, you are able to apply for a work permit under the LRIF program. I haven't gotten my biometrics or fingerprint letter in the mail. Will I be fingerprinted for this process? Usually for the green card process, applicants are fingerprinted. However, with USCIS office closures that began in March, there are delays for biometric appointments. Some applicants will be exempt for the biometric step, and some applicants will eventually be scheduled for a biometrics appointment. How long until I receive my green card under the LRIF program? The LRIF program is still fairly new and it is hard to determine how long this process will take. Processing times will vary for each case. Please know the Liberian Refugee Immigration Fairness Act is still a fairly new program and USCIS requirements may change over time. If you have any questions about the LRIF program or you need any help to file your application, please contact any of the following organizations to get help with the LRIF process.